Hi, I am Snigdha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you what I do exactly at Bangalore to not get bored. If you are new here, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
So the first thing that you can explore is IKEA. I have seen IKEA in vlogs and since then I always wanted to explore this place. Obviously I started with the food section. Here the experience is little bit different than the normal places that we go to eat. Here you can purchase a glass and have unlimited drinks. Also there are many options to eat like desserts, non-veg items. For vegetarians also there was a section, and overall the experience was really good. Even though the food tasted mid, like it wasn't that great, but it was okay and I really loved the experience. This place is heaven for people who are interested in home interior or decorating their home. My favorite was the walk-in closet. It was really cute and I really want to have a walk-in closet in future, so I really loved that. That was my favorite part in IKEA. There were many other things starting from bedrooms, dining rooms, kitchen, drawing rooms, and even light. There are many different kinds of lights as well, so overall you will love the experience. Go to truffles if you are confused what to eat, where to eat, and you want to eat something nice, then you can just go to truffles and have the best food. Trust me, the food there will never disappoint you, especially the shakes and the burger. And my favorite is fish and chips. I really love that, but the pasta is also something that I would order again. So yeah, everything there is really yum and I would recommend that place. I don't want to get ready all the time, book an Uber, go somewhere to eat. It is quite a hassle here, at least in Bangalore. So I like to explore nearby places in my PJs. So we all know how PG food are. Sometimes you just don't want to have it. So you can go explore the nearby places that you have near your PG with your friend or even alone. This is a Pan-Asian place near to my PG which I really love. I've been here multiple times. So if you are in Nagwara area, then you can just explore this place. It is really nice. Trust me, the food there is never going to disappoint you, in fact. So you can try this. This vlog is going in a quite unhealthier side. So yeah, I really go on a quick fast food chains like Domino's, McDonald's, Burger King. So most of the time when I'm bored, I just go out with my friends. I really want to go out alone sometime because I really love alone time, but I am not yet confident enough to explore places alone. So I have my friends with me all the time. So I'm at this phase of my life where I like socializing. So I go for team lunch, go out with my colleagues to eat. McDonald's is really near to our office, so we often go there to eat with my colleagues. Our internship days are coming to an end and one by one everyone is leaving. So seeing these videos really is making me nostalgic, because remembering all the old times where we all were together. We used to go out and eat. Another place is Bharatiya City Mall, which you can explore. Today was really a nice weather. You see, it was windy and it was really a pleasant weather. So me and my friend decided to go to the Bharatiya City Mall. See, you can explore malls. Obviously, that is really a basic thing you can do in Bangalore. But this mall is quite different. This mall was inside a township. So it was really pretty. There was walking space, there was a field nearby where you can sit and chill. This mall was not that big, it was kind of decent size, but the surroundings that this mall had was a really a point of attraction, I would say, to come to this mall to just sit or have a chill evening with your friends. We order sizzlers from this place, and I would recommend you to never order sizzlers or anything from this place, because first of all they gave us the wrong order, and second of all, the taste, it tasted like something that was kept from many days. It was kind of rotten or something like that. I didn't like the taste at all. Other than food, the second thing that I do to not get bored is dress up. I dress up. I try to dress up at least every single day. You will notice that your mood gets automatically lifted up when you get ready. Even if you're feeling low or something, just try getting ready or wear a good outfit, do some good makeup. You will automatically start feeling good about yourself and your life. So that's it for this vlog. I will try that in my next vlog. I'll try a healthier version where I give some healthy tips of not getting bored in Bangalore, not just eating junk food or something. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and I'll see you in the next one.